Imagine a cancer that begins in one organ, but months later, doctors find it in the liver, lungs, brain, or bones. How did it travel there? Did the tumor actually move? Or did individual cancer cells escape? This dangerous process is called metastasis, and metastasis is responsible for nearly 90% of cancer-related deaths worldwide. In this video, we'll explore exactly how cancer spreads through the body, step by step, using simple explanations and medical animations. Let's begin.
Before we understand how cancer spreads through metastasis, you should first understand how cancer begins. If you haven't watched our previous video on how cancer starts in the body, make sure to watch that first. The link is in the description.
What is metastasis? Metastasis means the spread of cancer cells from the original tumor to distant organs or tissues. The original tumor is called the primary tumor. For example, if cancer starts in the breast, that is called breast cancer. If those breast cancer cells spread to the lungs, it is still called metastatic breast cancer, not lung cancer. This is very important because treatment depends on the origin of cancer. Not all tumors spread. Benign tumors usually remain localized, but malignant tumors can invade nearby tissues and spread throughout the body.
Step 1. Local invasion. Metastasis begins when cancer cells become aggressive. Normally, healthy cells stay attached to neighboring cells. They respect boundaries. Cancer cells lose this control. They break away from the main tumor. Then, they start invading nearby tissues. They release special enzymes that break down surrounding tissues. Think of it like criminals breaking walls to escape a building. These enzymes destroy basement membranes, connective tissues, extracellular matrix. This allows cancer cells to move deeper into surrounding structures. Step 2. Entering blood or lymph. After invading nearby tissues, the next step is entering transportation systems. Cancer cells enter blood vessels or lymphatic vessels. This process is called intravasation. Blood vessels act like highways. Lymphatic vessels act like side roads. Once cancer cells enter circulation, they can travel anywhere in the body. But this journey is extremely dangerous. Many cancer cells die during travel due to immune system attacks, physical stress, lack of attachment. Only a few survive. Circulation through the body. Now, cancer cells are floating through the bloodstream. They travel with red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Some cancer cells hide by attaching themselves to platelets. This helps them escape immune detection. It's like criminals hiding inside a crowd. Eventually, they reach distant organs. Exiting blood vessels. Once cancer cells reach a new organ, they must leave the bloodstream. This process is called extravasation. Cancer cells attach to blood vessel walls, squeeze through vessel openings, and enter new tissue. Now, they have successfully invaded a new organ. Forming secondary tumors. After entering new tissue, cancer cells begin multiplying again. They create new tumors, called secondary tumors or metastatic tumors. These tumors need oxygen and nutrients, so they stimulate new blood vessel formation, called angiogenesis. Now, the secondary tumor begins growing.
Common sites of metastasis. Different cancers spread to specific organs. For example, breast cancer commonly spreads to bone, liver, lung, brain. Lung cancer commonly spreads to brain, liver, bone. Prostate cancer commonly spreads to bone. Colon cancer commonly spreads to liver. Why? Because blood flow patterns and organ environment matter. Why metastasis is dangerous.
Metastasis makes cancer much harder to treat. Why? Because now multiple organs are involved. For example, a patient may have tumors in breast, liver, bones, brain. Treatment becomes more complicated. Survival rates often decrease significantly. Conclusion. So let's quickly recap. Cancer spreads by local invasion, entering blood/lymph, traveling through circulation, exiting into new tissue, forming secondary tumors. That entire process is called metastasis, and understanding it helps doctors fight cancer more effectively. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more medical animation videos.